All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to talk about how you go about double checking your network speed while you're on phone. So normally you'd want to use some type of speed test website to do so, and if you find yourself doing this a lot, you can actually grab the speedtest.net app. But if you're not sure if your internet's even working or not, and you don't have the app, you can't really do that, can you? So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a new tab, and then here inside of the search bar, I'm just going to look up speedtest.net, and this is going to bring up the speed test service sponsored by Ookla, I think is the name of the company. And they're going to want you to download their app, but I've already got the app, but I'm going to show you how to do it via the web, because it actually works pretty well. All you have to do is press go. And then this will automatically try to connect to a server somewhere near you. In my case, it's in Denver, Colorado, which is the capital of my state. And then it's going to see how fast my internet connection is to see if whatever problem you're having with your internet, like connecting to a specific service or a specific site, it's going to check that to see if it's my problem or if it's just the problem of whatever website I am currently trying to connect to. In this case, I have a 207.28 megabytes per second download speed, so it's definitely not me. So now I can take this information, and let's say all I have is either my phone and like a bum laptop that my buddies letting me borrow to work on fixing something at an office somewhere. At the very least, now I know from double checking with my phone what the speed is of the network, so I know that's not the problem. Something else is. Alternatively, you can do like I've done in the past, which I've already downloaded the Speed Test by Ookla app. And this works pretty much the exact same way. The only difference is that it's a native app built into your phone, pre-downloaded so it doesn't run off of the web. And you can load it up and try running a speed test at pretty much any time. The other thing that it allows you to do is actually not just test your download speed, but it'll also allow you to test your upload speed as well. So if you're looking for something a little bit more detailed, you actually need to know that upload speed, then you'll probably want to grab the speedtest.net app, which is available for free on all of the app stores. So I hope you found this helpful. This is just an easy way on mobile to check what your internet download and upload speed is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.